Welcome to the comprehensive guide on programming your Fleck 9100SXT water softener. Having a properly programmed water softener can significantly improve the quality of your water and protect your plumbing system from the harmful effects of hard water. The Fleck 9100SXT is a versatile unit that offers advanced control and efficient water softening capabilities. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of programming your Fleck 9100SXT water softener. Whether you are a first-time user or looking to reprogram your unit, this guide will provide you with clear instructions to ensure you set up your water softener correctly. Proper programming is essential to tailor the unit's settings to your specific water hardness and usage requirements. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you will be able to optimize the performance of your water softener, enhance water quality, and extend the lifespan of your plumbing system. So, let's dive into the programming process and unlock the full potential of your Fleck 9100SXT water softener. To provide a more comprehensive guide for programming the Fleck 9100SXT water softener, please follow the revised steps below. Step 1. Set the clock to 12:01 p.m. Press and hold the down arrow until the time reads 12:01 p.m. Step 2. Access Master Programming. Press the far left key once when the time is set to 12:01 p.m. Step 3. Configure Settings. DF screen. Use the up and down arrow buttons to navigate and select gallons for flow measurement. Valve type screen. Select downflow and backwash options. Control type screen. Choose flow immediate for a single tank unit. TS screen. Irrelevant for single tank units using the SXT control. C4 capacity screen. Set the resin capacity value, example 63, using the far left key. Hardness screen. Set the water hardness value, example 32 grains, using the far left key. S screen. Set the reserve selection to a safety factor, example 15%, using the down arrow. Do screen. Set the day override to the desired frequency, example 14 days, using the far left key. T screen. Set the regeneration time, example 2 a.m., using the far left key. Backwash screen. Set the backwash time to 10 minutes. Brine draw screen. Set the brine draw time to 60 minutes. Rapid rinse screen. Set the rapid rinse time to 10 minutes. Brine fill screen. Set the brine fill time to 16 minutes. Flow meter type screen. Select the appropriate flow meter type, example 1-inch paddle, using the far left key. Step 4. Bring the softener online. Reset the current time of day. Initiate a manual regeneration by pressing and holding the far left key. Wait for the unit to complete the regeneration process. Step 5. Monitor salt levels and refill. Check the salt tank periodically. If the water level is above the salt level, it's time to add more salt. Open the lid of the salt tank and pour salt into the tank until it reaches the desired level. Avoid constantly topping off the salt tank and let the unit cycle through the salt before refilling it. Step 6. Regular maintenance. Clean the brine tank and inspect the salt grid periodically. Schedule routine inspections and maintenance as recommended by the manufacturer. Consult the user manual or contact the manufacturer for troubleshooting and further assistance. By following these steps, an individual should be able to program their Fleck 9100SXT water softener effectively and maintain it properly. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the programming process for your Fleck 9100SXT water softener. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you have taken the necessary steps to ensure your water softener is properly configured to meet your specific needs. A well-programmed water softener can provide numerous benefits, including softer water, reduced scale buildup, and improved efficiency of your plumbing appliances. With the Fleck 9100SXT, you can enjoy the advantages of advanced control and reliable water softening technology. Remember to monitor your salt levels regularly and refill the salt tank as needed to maintain optimal performance. Additionally, don't forget to schedule routine maintenance and inspections to keep your water softener in top condition. If you encounter any issues or have further questions about your Fleck 9100 SXT water softener, consult the user manual or reach out to the manufacturer's customer support for assistance. They will be able to provide you with additional guidance and troubleshooting tips. Enjoy the benefits of softened water and the peace of mind that comes with a well-programmed Fleck 9100 SXT water softener. Say goodbye to the hassles of hard water and enjoy the comfort of a well-functioning plumbing system. Thank you for using this guide, and we hope it has been helpful in programming your Fleck 9100 SXT water softener.